Hey guys, this is E with Scrapbooking with Me, and this is just a continuation of the Christmas gift video that I have been putting up. I put one up just a minute ago, and you can go check it out in the link below. This is a Christmas card that I got, and I didn't get time right before Christmas to film it, so I wanted to show you this. It is absolutely beautiful. It's got the dimension on it, the little truck, and this is from Christine. And she writes a very sweet note in here. She's going to be at Made It Con in Alabama, and that is coming up in like 68 days. So if you're not already taking some classes at Made It Con or coming to visit us, you don't have to take a class. You can just come down and visit us. And we're going to have a meet and greet. You can come to the meet and greet and meet all of us and talk with us and that kind of thing. But if you want to take some classes, I'm going to leave that link below now. 2 of my classes are already sold out and have been for a little while, but I still have, I think, 3 classes left that have just a little bit of space left in them. So if you want to come take some classes with us, I would really love to meet you and to craft with you. Like I said, this is from Christine in Colorado. So thank you so much, Christine. That is absolutely beautiful. I love that card, and I had it up on my mantle at Christmas. Then I got a package from one of our design team members, from Crystal. She is our one of our design team members for our E-Club kits. You need to check her out. She has got some very, very beautiful projects. And I haven't opened everything yet. I just took everything out of the box. So we're going to open these up. I got this just a day or 2 after Christmas, so I didn't get to display it this year, but I definitely will next year. Oh my goodness, look at this. How cute. What in the world? Ooh, that smells so good. That's little spices. That smells wonderful. Look at that. That is so cute. This is dill dip. And it tells you how to make 1/2 cup sour cream, 1/2 cup of Miracle Whip, dill dip mix. Combine all ingredients and whisk together. Refrigerate 2 to 4 hours before serving. Oh my goodness. I will definitely have to make that. That smells wonderful. I love dill anyway. So that, I got that. And then, this is like Christmas all over again. Ooh, and then, see what I'm talking about? She makes some wonderful projects. Oh my goodness, I'm afraid to open this anywhere. I'm afraid I'll break something. Let's see. Let me make sure I'm not going to untie something that doesn't need untying. There we go. Whew. I was afraid I was going to break that beautiful bow. That's gorgeous. Oh, what is this? You guys, I don't get a lot of crafty mail. I don't get a lot of happy mail. So when I do, I'm just shake because I'm so excited. Oh, she knows I love butterflies. Look at these. These are butterfly dies. I absolutely love butterflies. Oh my goodness, thank you so much. You know I will definitely be using those in some upcoming videos. Most definitely. And I love that bow. You've got to tell me how you made that bow. Did you do it on the Cricut? Do you have a die for it? That's gorgeous. Love it. Okay, so there is that. I'm going to put it over here so y'all can see that. Then I've got another one. Oh, like I said, I'm shaking. So excited. Oh my goodness. Ah, this will definitely be hanging on my tree next year. Look at that. This girl is beyond talented. I want you to look at that. This flower is made from vellum. I don't know if you can see that, but then she's curled it and put like icicles or something on there. Look at that. It's like a glitter icicle on it. That is gorgeous. You need to do a tutorial on that, Crystal, and show us how you did that. That's a beautiful flower. Oh, and then it's got the little bow and the strap that I can hang it by. This will go on my tree next year, most definitely. And then a big one. Oh my goodness. I'm excited. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness, girl. What in the world? Look at that little bauble. And it's full of little stars. Look at that. I don't know if you can see that. Look at that. How in the world did you get those in there? Or did you buy it that way? That is so cute. And then it's got a little tag to Edith from Crystal. So I'm going to pull this off carefully because I'm going to save that. Oh my goodness. And she made this box. Just look at that. That is beautifully made and constructed. That looks like a store-bought box. Looks better than a store-bought box. Oh my goodness, look at this. Bath salts. Oh my. She knows. She doesn't know that I love a bath with bath salts, but I do. And then, oh, this has got to be a bath bomb. Oh, that smells great. This smells wonderful. There's another bath bomb. And then let's see what this is. This is, what is this? This is an eye mask. Oh my goodness, I've never had one of these. This is an eye mask. I'll have to put that on for you guys and show you a picture of me. Oh my goodness, that's going to be fun. I've never worn one before. But I think I might try it tonight, especially when my husband has the TV blaring and I can't go to sleep because of the light. I'll put that on. Thank you so much. That's going to be useful. Because he does run that TV at night. Oh, look, some cherry chapstick. I always have to have chapsticks because my lips stay dry in the winter all the time. And what is this? Let me get all these little particles off of here. This is cute, whatever it is. I don't want to unwrap it. What is it? I think this is just like a bath cloth. And it's so soft. It is very soft. I love that. I don't want to unwrap it. I guess I will, though. I want to show you guys, so I'll unwrap it. Ooh, have to unwrap it to use it, won't I? Oh, it is not. It's a head. It's a cap. A drying cap, I think. Let me know if I'm wrong, but I think that's a drying cap. Oh, I need that because I don't have one of these. I've never had one of these. Oh, thank you so much. I'm going to look forward to using that. Yeah, that's exactly what it is because you wrap it around your head and then you put the little clasp here around the button. Oh, I'm going to love that. I've never had one. I've seen other people with one, but I have never had one. And then this is a vanilla, sugar, and raspberry foot mask. Oh me, I need a foot mask for all skin types. I will be using that. I know. Thank you so much. Oh my gosh, what all was in here? Everything. And then this bottom of this box is, oh my goodness, it's sturdy. This is very great. This is wonderful. Thank you so much, Crystal. You're such a sweetheart. I can't believe this. All of this stuff you gave me. Oh my goodness, girl. Thank you is all I can say. And like I said, I don't get a lot of Happy Mail. I guess people think that I have a little bit of everything, so I don't get Happy Mail very often. And when I do, I just get like a little kid. I just start shaking and I can't wait to open it. This has been sitting on my table ever since last Friday, I think, maybe Thursday or Friday. And I had been wanting to open it, but I wanted to film it when I did because I told her that I wanted to. So I had been sitting there looking at that box every day thinking I've got to get that film today so that I can open it. But this is wonderful. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. And you guys don't have to send me anything. I just appreciate it when you do. It just lets me know that you're thinking about me and that you care a little bit about what I do and what I put out there for you guys. So I really thank you. I appreciate every gift that I get and all the cards and everything. I keep them forever. I've got them all in a I have an album that's just for cards that I get from different people, and I put the name under it, the year I got it, and all of that. So I've got all that I can look back on. Then when I get gifts like this, I take photos of it, and I put the photos in there because I definitely use the products. So I can't put the products in there, but I take photos and I put it in there with a little information on who gave it to me and when. So like I said, I really appreciate it. You guys do not have to give me anything, but when you do, I just, oh my goodness, I can't even express how much it means to me. So thank you so much, and I will let you guys go. I really appreciate everything, and we will talk to you later. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.